Hello Aeropup fans, Don Fielden here with Fielden Aero, home of Aeropup USA. Many of you have been following my video postings here and gotten some pretty good feedback on those, so I'll continue the trend here. So today I'll give you a quick overview on the Aileron and the associated control system on the Aeropup. I'm going to switch the camera around here so you don't see my ugly mug and see instead the beautiful airplane. Stand by. Okay, switched over here. The Aileron control system on the Aeropup is a very simple but rugged assembly. The heartbeat of it's right here. So if I pan forward here, excuse the mess in the cockpit, there's a control stick. And then as we move the control stick left and right, you can see the associated movement on the control cables. With this control cable right here going to the left aileron, and this control cable right here going to the right aileron. These are push-pull control cables. Mount down on the arm, which is attached to the stick. Goes up, out the wing roots. You see there's the left wing root, and there is the right wing root, and those cables are routed in a way that you can fold the wings. And a reminder, the wings fold back through a pivot point on the rear spar. So you can fold the wings back without having to disconnect the control cables for the flaps or the ailerons. I've got the camera pointed to the right aileron now, and as you can see, it moves as it's supposed to. It's always a good thing. It moves in the proper direction with the inputs on the control stick. I'll swing around to the other side here, and if you look carefully on the way out there in the wing, you see it moves in the appropriate direction by the appropriate amount as well. I'll swing back out, and the control rods connect, the control cable, connect to each aileron through the steel arm bolt, and then there's a control rod that routes to the wing. Pan back, and you can see the ailerons, and right over there is the flap. The box up on top of the wing there, that's the test fuel tank we use to run the engine. We'll be taxiing the airplane around the airport here in about a couple of days, towards the latter part of this week. And the production fuel tanks are in production, as a matter of fact, and haven't yet arrived yet. So that's an original tank that we had built for the Aeropup and decided didn't like the design. So we've got a new tank in the making. So this is just a temporary tank we use to power the engine. Okay, that's it. Countdown to Sun and Fun continues. We'll be at booth LP09 in the sports aviation area. I think it's also called Paradise City, out of Lakeland Airport, beginning April 5th. Looking forward to seeing everybody. AeropupUSA.com. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.